Senate Presido Akpabio don't talk say Naija go need to work together wella on top the tax reforms, say the wahala not be just about making new laws but say all the government levels, federal, state, local plus private sector and civil society need to join hand to create tax system wey go benefit everybody. Our Tory person Omone Momoyan say Oga Akpabio talk this one for the opening of one 2-day public hearing on tax reform bills where Finance Committee organized with Senator Sani Musa as the chairman. The Senate Presido also yarn say even though say now less than 30% of Naija people they pay tax, but 100% of the people they demand better infrastructure like good roads, better healthcare and other important things.
The challenge before us transcends the simple act of passing new laws. Let's construct a tax system that inspires confidence, promotes development, fuels national growth. We cannot afford to be fragmented in our approach to revenue generation. Instead, we must come together, federal, state, and local governments alongside the private sector and civil society to create a tax system that truly works for all. Part of the ways we can diversify our economy by making sure that we get it right. I don't think at the moment that up to 80% of Nigerians pay tax. And yet, 100% of Nigerians want good roads. They want God culverts. They want dualized thoroughfares. They like trains. They like skyscrapers. They want Nigeria to be modernized in a hurry. Those things need money. I know that most Nigerians will not like to pay tax. So, at the end of what we are doing, it will be easy for you to pay tax whether you like it or not. And also, we will then oversight government to make sure that whatever revenue comes into the purse of government is well utilized through proper oversight function.
Finance Minister Wale Edu also showed support for the bills and talks say if Senate, tax authorities and state officials coordinate well, it will help make the tax reform better.
So, and in particular, food prices. So, the key objective of these reforms is to, as the economy grows, so we must arrive at, we must modernize our tax laws, enhance compliance, broaden the tax base, and create an environment that fosters investment and job creation. So the reform will look to provide equity, efficiency, economic growth.
Earlier, for in remarks, Senator Sani Musa, will be the chairman of Senate Committee on Finance, also talks that the main aim of the process not to gather good ideas from all the people where go they involved before they finalize the bills. He talks that the reforms not just they about making things efficient, but now about making the tax and business system work better.
Many of our existing laws are outdated and no longer reflect modern economic realities. Amending this item legislations is both necessary and urgent to create a tax framework that is transparent, predictable, and conducive to economic development. We acknowledge concerns about marginalization, disproportionate sharing, and possible biases in tax administration and revenue allocation. However, I assure you that this process will be thorough, inclusive, and guided by national interest.
The current tax reform effort get 4 key bills wey be Nigerian Tax Bill 2024, Tax Administration Bill, Nigerian Revenue Service Establishment Bill, and Joint Revenue Board Establishment Bill. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we not dey take blame. Ekata Ojesele reporting for TMC TV.